Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change your Strava profile picture. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open the Strava app. And once that your app is open, you will land in the home page. And now once you're in the home page, at the top, you will see your profile icon. Just go ahead and click on your profile icon, and here you will see different options. Now the option that we are looking for is going to be Edit. Just go ahead and click on Edit, and now you'll land in this interface. Now just go ahead and click on your profile icon, and now here you will be given two options. Take a new photo or choose one from your gallery. Select the image that you want to use as your profile picture. So I'm just going to take a simple photo and now allow while using the app, and then just capture the photo. And once that you have done that, you can just go ahead and click on OK. And now you can crop your photo. And then once you are happy with how it looks, you can just go ahead and click on Next. And then once that you have done that, you can just go ahead and click on Done. And now your Strava profile picture will be successfully updated. Now it may take some time. And as you can see now, our profile picture has been successfully added. And that's it. We just learned how to change your Strava profile picture by editing the profile and selecting a new image. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.